The female body has long been a subject of fascination and study, not only for its physiological and biological intricacies, but also for its psychological implications. Here, we delve into several psychological facts about the female body that offer insights into how women's bodies influence and are influenced by their mental states, behaviors, and social interactions. Hormonal influence and emotional regulation. One of the most significant factors influencing the psychological aspects of the female body is the hormonal cycle. The menstrual cycle, which spans approximately 28 days, involves fluctuating levels of hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. These hormonal changes can have profound effects on a woman's mood, energy levels, and emotional well-being. Premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Many women experience PMS, which can include symptoms like mood swings, irritability, and anxiety. The luteal phase, which occurs after ovulation and before menstruation, is particularly associated with these symptoms due to the drop in estrogen and rise in progesterone. Premenstrual dysphoric disorder, PMDD, a more severe form of PMS. PMDD can significantly impair daily functioning and mental health. Women with PMDD may experience severe depression, anger, and tension, highlighting the powerful link between hormonal changes and psychological states. Body image and self-perception. Body image is a crucial aspect of psychological health, particularly for women. Societal standards and media portrayals of the ideal body can significantly impact how women perceive themselves. Body dysmorphic disorder, BDD. This mental health condition involves an obsessive focus on perceived flaws in one's appearance. Women are more likely than men to develop BDD, often focusing on weight, skin, or other physical attributes. Eating disorders * conditions such as anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa are more prevalent in women, often stemming from body dissatisfaction and a desire to conform to societal ideals. These disorders highlight the psychological impact of body image and the lengths to which some women will go to achieve what they perceive as an acceptable appearance. Reproductive health and mental well-being. Reproductive health events such as pregnancy, childbirth, and menopause also play significant roles in a woman's psychological health. Pregnancy and postpartum * pregnancy can bring about a range of emotions, from joy to anxiety. The postpartum period, in particular, is critical for mental health. Postpartum depression, PPD, affects many new mothers, characterized by severe mood swings, exhaustion, and feelings of hopelessness. Hormonal changes after childbirth, along with the stresses of caring for a newborn, contribute to PPD. Menopause * the transition to menopause, known as perimenopause, involves hormonal fluctuations that can affect mood, sleep, and cognitive function. Women may experience increased anxiety, depression, and mood swings during this time. The end of menstruation and reproductive capability can also impact a woman's identity and sense of self. Sexual health and psychological impact. Sexual health is another area where the female body and psychology intersect significantly. Sexual desire and arousal * women's sexual desire is influenced by a complex interplay of physiological, psychological, and social factors. Hormonal levels, relationship satisfaction, stress, and self-esteem all play roles in a woman's sexual desire and arousal. Sexual dysfunction * conditions such as hypoactive sexual desire disorder, HSDD, and orgasmic disorder can cause significant distress and impact relationships. Psychological factors like stress, anxiety, and past trauma often contribute to these conditions. Impact of trauma * experiences of sexual abuse or assault can have long-lasting psychological effects on women, influencing their sexual health and overall well-being. Trauma can lead to conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, which requires sensitive and comprehensive treatment, socialization, and gender differences. From a young age, women are socialized in ways that can impact their psychological relationship with their bodies. Social expectations * societal norms and expectations around femininity can influence how women view and treat their bodies. For instance, the emphasis on thinness and beauty can lead to negative body image and self-esteem issues. Comparison and competition * women often compare themselves to others, whether it's peers, celebrities, or media representations. This comparison can lead to feelings of inadequacy and increased body dissatisfaction. Cognitive and emotional differences. There are cognitive and emotional differences between men and women that are influenced by both biological and social factors. Empathy and emotional expression * research suggests that women, on average, tend to be more empathetic and expressive of their emotions than men. These differences are partially due to socialization but also linked to brain structure and function. The greater volume of the prefrontal cortex in women, which is involved in emotional regulation, might contribute to these differences. Stress response * women and men respond to stress differently, partly due to hormonal differences. The tend and befriend response observed in women, characterized by seeking social support and nurturing behaviors, contrasts with the fight or flight response more common in men. This difference is thought to be influenced by oxytocin, a hormone that promotes bonding and is released in response to stress. Mental health and coping mechanisms. Women's mental health is influenced by a unique set of factors related to their bodies and societal roles. Depression and anxiety * women are more likely than men to experience depression and anxiety. Biological factors, such as hormonal fluctuations and social factors, like higher rates of interpersonal violence and caregiving responsibilities, contribute to this increased risk. Coping strategies * women often employ different coping strategies than men, such as seeking social support and expressing emotions. These strategies can be beneficial but also have downsides if they lead to overdependence on others or excessive rumination.